Hello friends, welcome to CS tutorial. Today we'll be solving problem 144, binary tree preorder traversal, and this is a follow-up to the recursive solution for this problem that we already posted. Um, we're like the problem states, we're given a tree and we are to output the preorder traversal of the tree. Without further wasting time, we're just gonna go ahead and write the code, and then when we're done, we'll explain it a little bit more. Um, but before I dive into that, like I said in the previous video, I strongly advise that we um, do a little bit of reading and just try to understand the concepts behind pre-order, post-order, and in-order traversal and level order traversal. It'll do you a lot of good. That being said, we're gonna proceed. For this problem, we're gonna be using a list of new array list, and we're also gonna be using a stock of tree node. I will call this stack equal to new stack of tree node. We're also going to be using a pointer current, which is going to be pointing to the current node which we're traversing, initially pointed at the root node. So we're just going to go ahead and say, we're going to traverse through the tree. And how do we do that? We use a while loop and say while the current is not equal to null, or the size of our stock is greater than 0. While this is true, we also want to check while our current is not equal to null. Um, we want to push the values we see to the stack, which is going to be the current. And then we want to add values to our list.add car.val, and we now process the left side of the tree of that node, car.left. And when we're done with that, we want to make sure to pop everything that we've added to the stack and process that too, because we want to make sure the stack is empty when we're done. And then we process the right side of the tree or the node, and we'll return our list. So just a quick rundown of what we've done here. We're using a list to store the answers, the result, using a stack to store the nodes that we've already processed. And here we go over the tree and we say, well, either the current node is not empty or the stack is not empty. What we want to do is add every value we see to the stock. But in the process, we're also adding the root node, which is the way pre-order works. Pre-order goes root node, left node, then right node. So essentially this is what we're doing here. We process down all the way and say root node, is there a left node? No. And process the right node. Okay, this is a root node. Is there a left node? Yes. Process it. Is there a right node? No. And we are done. Essentially, so I'm going to go ahead and run this code so we can see. And you see we get the right result. I'm going to submit this. and we do get the right result. Thank you for watching. If you find this video informative and educative, please like and subscribe to the channel. Happy coding.